Welcome to the Corner Faster, Get Fast series. We're at Road Atlanta in the Porsche Cayman GT4, and we're going to use the iRacing simulator to get up to speed in 50 laps. Before we head out on track, we're going to learn the layout. So taking a look at the Google Maps satellite imagery, we can see the main paddock on the inside of the main straight, the support paddock on the outside of the main straight, and both of them enter the track at turn 1. Turn 1's a right-hander, which leads directly into turn 2, which is basically just the setup for turn 3, another right-hander, which is basically blind on entry. And then we have the left-hand turn 4, which leads us into the top of the S's, which goes downhill and then uphill into turn 5. We turn around through turn 6 and 7, fast in for turn 6, and then fast out for turn 7 onto the back straightaway. We've got 2 kinks in the straightaway, turn 8 and turn 9, and then turn 10A and 10B at the end of the long straight and down the hill. 10B goes uphill into turn 11, which is at the crest and at the bridge at the top of the hill, and then finally it's flat out through turn 12 onto the main straightaway again. So that's the basic layout, and for the first lap, we're just going to point out the corner worker stations. So the first corner worker station is on the inside of turn 1, here on the outside of the main paddock pit lane. You can see the next corner worker station up the hill, here at turn 2. And then moving up ahead here, the next is at turn 3. On the right-hand side of the track. On the far side of turn 4 on the exit, on the right side is the next corner worker station, at the very top of the S's. And then at the top of the S's out the other side, on the far side of turn 5 is the next corner station. Followed quickly by another corner station at the exit of turn 5, looking down the short straightaway. Jumping up to turn 6 and 7. Turn 6 and 7 are on the apexes, or on the inside of the apexes of the respective corners. Here's turn 7. And then heading up onto the straightaway, underneath the bridge on the right, we've got a corner station. And then after the crest at turn 9 and into the beginning of the braking zone for turn 10, is our next corner station. We've got a corner station at the bottom of the hill and the top of the hill. So at the beginning of turn 10 at the entrance of turn 10A on the right, and then at turn 11 on the left of the bridge. Here's the one on the left, just on sight. Just past the bridge. And then 2 more, we've got turn 12 on the outside of the alternate turn 12, and then finally start finish onto the bridge here. So those are the corner worker stations. It's important to get familiar with where they are and what they can see. Spot those yellow flags early to avoid a penalty, but especially make sure to check out each station in real life when heading out on track for the first lap and see which ones are occupied, and definitely make note of that. And that's it for the first lap here at Road Atlanta. Stick around for 49 more laps as we break down the track and get up to speed.